Now we will be quickly discussing the commercial and business possibilities of intellectual property rights. Here in our country, we have the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. It maintains a registry of patents and trademarks in the Philippines, which is widely recognized in Southeast Asia. The country's intellectual property system dates back well into Spanish and American colonial periods, earning the Philippines the reputation as among the first Asian countries to adopt laws on intellectual property. Okay, so bakit nga ba mahalaga that we need to consider intellectual property for our business? So we have here the following reasons. So first, we need to protect innovative products and services para hindi tayo madaling makopya ng mga competitors natin in the industry. Next, increase the visibility, attractiveness, and value of your products on the market. Next one, distinguish your business and its product from the competition. So remember, if we apply for intellectual property, no, we are actually securing our products and services. And we could also have access both technical and business information or knowledge. And having applied for intellectual property, we could actually avoid risk of unknowingly using third parties for our content, or inadvertently losing our own valuable data or innovations or creative output. Herewith, this will be just a review of what has been discussed to you this morning, the different types of intellectual property. So we have here patents. So it is an exclusive right granted for a new inventive and useful product. So it can take the form of a new product, processes, or technical improvement to existing invention. So some of the examples are utility patents, design patents, and plant patents. Next, we have here utility model. So just like patent, it is an exclusive right granted for an invention, but it does not require the condition of the involvement of an inventive step to be protected. So ano yung kaibahan ni utility model with patent? So when we talk about patent, it is actually the created product or innovation itself. No, so kung nakapag-imbento tayo ng isang produkto or ng isang serbisyo, we could actually apply it for a patent. But when we are going to apply a utility model, that is when there is a development to an existing invention. So for example, we have a ball pen, and that is our existing invention. But we have observed that when it is exposed to air, yung quality ng ink nababawasan. So we have come up to an idea of creating a new cover for our ball pen. And that cover or development that we have made in the ball pen is actually what we can apply for the utility model. Next, we have the industrial design. So industrial design is actually an aesthetics to our product. It consists of three-dimensional features such as the shape or surface of an article, or two-dimensional features such as patterns, lines, or color. So it is applied to a wide variety of products of industry and handicraft items. So examples are pancakes, containers, household goods, equipment, electronic devices, textile, and among others. Next, we have trademark. So it is a word, group of words, sign, symbol, or a logo that distinguishes your business goods or services from those of other traders. Example are company and product names, slogans and taglines, logos and symbols, brand colors, and others. Last but not the least, we have copyright. So it protects literary and artistic works, such as books and other writings, musical works, films, paintings, and other works and computer programs. Examples are blue books and blog articles, manuscripts just like your thesis, now software, databases, graphic arts, video, and sound record. Here is a video of how we should protect our intellectual property.
Your intellectual property brings value to your business, so it's vital to protect it locally and globally. But first, you must know the difference between each type. If you want to protect your startup name and logo, you should register a trademark. If your startup deals with artistic and literary work, computer software, film and audio-visual works, it's important to enlist copyright protection. If your startup is developing an invention or new concept, it's important to protect it by registering a patent. If your startup has created a new design or aesthetic aspect of a product, it is important to register this under industrial design. Protect your rights. In Lebanon, it's mostly done at the Ministry of Economy and Trade's Office of Intellectual Property. And if you wish to protect your IP abroad, the World Intellectual Property Organization simplifies multinational registrations. All IP registration is done in the name of the founders or company name. Find links to the organizations we mentioned and begin protecting your intellectual property today.
Alright, so that would be the end of my discussion on the commercial and business possibilities of intellectual property rights. I hope you learned something now from our discourse this afternoon. Thank you so much for listening.